Okay, we're back here at a house we did an install, like new construction install like 4 months ago. This is gonna be a tear out. The reason why the crawl space actually caught on fire like a month ago, and it had to do with some electrical wires that I don't know what happened. So, but they're claiming, well, it has the system has smoke damage, is what they're saying. It still runs, but everything with the system is all like burn mark, and just all the air that's coming through it, it just smells like smoke. We have to tear out everything and replace it. So let's go. So here's all the duct that we had to tear back out. So you can see all the fire damage on it. Even just walking in here, you can smell the smoke just blowing through the vents. So you can even see there's burn marks on these grills. Let's go to the crawl space. Dang, yeah, the smell down here is really, it's bad. You can see all the burn marks. Here's the furnace. This is a brand new system, like 4 months old. Like, it's still running and everything. You can see all the burn marks on it. But just the air that's just coming out of it, that's the return, just smell like smoke. So yeah, we have to replace everything. Let's go. Okay, first things first. We gotta turn off the power on this furnace. Shut off the gas, remove the gas, and then suck back the refrigerant and cut. All right, we're done. We're done tearing this baby out. Man. Smell like smoke. Hey buddy, how you doing?
It's very hot.
Okay, we got the furnace upstairs. Now we're gonna go take it out. Throw it in the garbage. Just kidding. I don't know what we're doing with it, but let's go. We got everything out. Here's the furnace. Look at these wires. Like all melted. The top cabinet is pretty good. Still good. The coil's still good. All the duct. Look how nasty that filter is. It's all smoke. That's it for today. We out.